So today's craving recipe is how to make filter coffee kulfi. Now, take a clear glass. Add 1 spoon of coffee powder into it. Next, pour in some hot water into the glass. Next, start by pouring fresh milk into a pan. Bring it to a gentle boil. Keep stirring. Let the milk slowly reduce until it turns thick and creamy. Next, add a generous amount of condensed milk into the pan. Keep stirring for that rich texture. Now add sugar. Mix it well until it completely dissolves. Now add cardamom powder. Now stir again. Next comes the magic. Strong filter coffee decoction. Pour it into the milk and mix well to create that rich coffee aroma. This step brings everything together beautifully. Add chopped nuts like almonds, cashews and pistachios for a crunchy bite. Give everything a perfect final mix. Let it come down to room temperature. Now pour this creamy coffee kulfi mixture into kulfi molds. Freeze for 6 to 8 hours until perfectly set. Now take out the perfectly set kulfi. Wait for a second so the mold loosens the kulfi. Gently pull the stick and slide out the smooth, creamy kulfi. Now garnish with chopped nuts. Now drizzle some chocolate syrup. Here it is. Our delicious coffee kulfi is ready to enjoy. And that's today's craving recipe. Enjoy!